Hello everybody, take a strip of paper. Now we are going to cut these different colorful paper strips, fold it and paste it like this. Now paste all of them around this plastic bottle using double-sided tape. Paste its handles and look, your beautiful basket is ready. Look at this flower basket. Let's make it. First take a green craft paper, make multiple cuts and roll it like this. Now we are going to make colorful flowers by folding this red craft paper, cut it and paste all of them and it's ready. Make multiple cuts of green craft paper, then we are going to weave pink craft paper like this. We are making a beautiful boat, so punch it from both its sides. Now we are going to punch it in the center like this. Paste a heart shape and look, your beautiful boat is ready. We are making a hole in the ice cream sticks. In this video we are making a fan, so combine all of them together. Now we are drawing a shape of watermelon. Paste all the strips, draw its seeds like this. Now we are going to paste it on the ice cream sticks and look, the fan is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.